everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be all about affordable makeup, particularly makeup under £10. I love finding products that are good but affordable, because you can't beat affordable quality products because you save money but you still get amazing results. So that's what I'm going to do today. If you enjoy my video, please do like, comment and subscribe. I upload Thursdays and Sundays now, 6 PM each time, so do look out for that. And yeah, let's get into the video. I have nothing on my skin, so I'm just going to do a little bit of skin prep with the NEUTROGENA Clear and Defend Moisturiser. This is great for oily skin. I get oily skin no matter what the weather is, whatever season we're in. My skin is most likely oily or really dry, but right now it's really oily, so I'm gonna go in with this. I've done some drugstore videos, but I wanted this one to be a bit more precise. We are in a recession right now, so we need to save money, but we want to look good. So I'm here to help. I'm gonna show you some gems that I have that are from the drugstore and are very affordable. I actually don't know what look I'm going for. I'm just kind of using products. But one thing I do know, if you know me, I love glow. So I'm gonna go with the e.l.f. Retro Paradise Glow Oil, which is a primer. I do like primer oils. Sometimes they can be very problematic if I have really oily skin, but I apply a very small amount just to get that radiance, you know. I try to avoid my T-zone and just like focus it on the high points and stuff. To help emphasize that glow, I'm going in with the NYX Born to Glow. This is a liquid highlighter. I'm not sure what shade this is, but it's like the dark one. I'm gonna apply this under my foundation because I feel like it gives off a better finish. I do this technique of applying a highlighter under my foundation all the time because I feel like it's also easier to do, because in case you put too much, you can just cover it with foundation. But it just makes the glow look like it's from within, which I love, so that's what I do all the time. I did that in my foundations video and you guys loved it, so do take this tip on as like a major tip because it's changed my life and it's changed my makeup and base game. I'm gonna go in with concealer first because I don't want to look too like bright under my eye. So I'm gonna go in with the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer. It's like my favorite drugstore. I'm gonna apply a little bit under my eyes because I did not sleep yesterday. I had the worst cramps. So if I look kind of like I didn't sleep. So we're gonna fix that. I'm gonna apply a bit here to have some redness. Yeah, that's it, and I'm just gonna blend it out. You know, I could leave it like this, but I feel like I'm gonna need to show you all my go-to under £10 products. So I'm gonna use foundation. You guys should already know what foundation I'm gonna use. I was gonna use the Ordinary Serum Foundation, but I could not use this foundation. It is the EX1 Invisiwear, of course. I apply like half a pump and it's just like, you'll see, if you haven't seen what it does to my skin or your skin or anyone's skin, you'll see now. You'll see today what it does to your skin, because it is honestly the best foundation. Like, not even just drugstore, it's like the best foundation I think I've ever used. Any leftover foundation I just put on my forehead. I don't really put that much foundation on my forehead, mostly on my cheeks because there is some discoloration. Don't forget under here. The brushes I'm using today are not under £10, but I will do a favourite brushes video because I think brushes are very important when it comes to makeup application. Like, they can either make your life really difficult because they're just really rubbish, or just make everything so delightful and easy. And I really think I found some of the best brushes, and some of you notice sometimes I do link them because they're so important. You see that base? Do you see the radiance, all the products coming together? I'm gonna do a bit of eyeshadow today. I don't really ever do eyeshadows, but I'm gonna do a little bit of a halo eye, I think, and I'm gonna go in with the Beauty Bay Fiery palette. I've mentioned this before. It's a £10 palette and it's got all these amazing like warm full colors, and I think I'm gonna go in with like a Should I do a burgundy? I never really experiment with eyeshadows, but maybe I'll do a burgundy, or just I'll probably end up doing orange. But the burgundies and browns really look nice. I'm gonna use burnt sienna on the same brush because I can't be bothered like to go through all my brushes. So I'm just gonna use the same one, I'm sure it'll be fine, and just start doing the halo eye. Whenever I do eyeshadows, I always drag it so far down my eye space, like onto my face, and I don't even realize I'm doing it until it's like done. So yeah, I'm just gonna control myself. Just gonna go in with the Ruby Slippers shade. It's like a sparkly shade, and just to like deepen that even more. For the center shade, I'm gonna take Power Trip because it looks like a nice red, and I'm just gonna do a bit of that. It's like a copper. Might do a small eyeliner, so I'm gonna go in with the Rimmel Wonder Ink liner just for a little, and you won't even notice it, but I know it's there. For mascara, I'm gonna take the Maybelline Push Up Angel mascara. It's perfect for adding to the cat's eye look, so I'm just gonna do that. The brush is so good at separating eyelashes. For bronzer, I'm gonna take the Rimmel Radiance Block. I think this was like the first bronzer I ever bought, and I've stuck by it because it is a great bronzer. I love it because it's got shimmer, and it's got like a little highlight block on it as well, which is great when you're going for like 2-in-1 products. For blush, I'm gonna take the NYX Sweet Cheeks Glow Blush in the shade Risky Business. It's a beautiful pink shade, and it's got like gold glitter in it too. It's so gorgeous. I'm gonna start off slow and then build it up. Oh, it's come off already. This is gonna be very light, like barely even there kind of vibes. For lips, I'm gonna take the Rimmel pencil in Tiramisu and just gonna line my lips very precisely. I was about to say very roughly, but no, I'm not. And now I'm stuck between going for a like hydrated lip or a matte lip. I never do matte lips because my lips are very prone to drying. But I feel like for this look, because fall reminds me of like browns, I might go in with the NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream. And then to set it all, I usually go in with the NYX Dewy Finish Setting Spray, but I actually don't know where it is because I've been like in and out of my house, but that's what I would set it with. I'm not actually going anywhere, so I actually don't need to set it, but that is a great setting spray. So yeah, just imagine I'm setting it right now. So this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this. All the products are such amazing quality, and they do not look like they were under £10, which is what I'm going for. I'm going for bougie without a price tag, you know. So I hope you guys enjoyed this and take on some of the products, or maybe you have these products and didn't know like that they were there, like maybe they were hidden, you forgot about them. Bring them back out because they are fire. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this and stay safe. I'll see you guys again in my next video.